like this. Okay, open it, and then this is the page. This page. So this is a blockchain and blockchain class lesson. MIT. MIT. So yeah, because we only 2 weeks. Yeah. So if I come back, if I back my company, and then so you can read the piece to knowledge, to learn or to study about more knowledge about blockchain. Yes, this is the lessons MIT. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now let's open the IDE. Okay, the girl body terrible, have a body problem. The girl Mala, yeah, body terrible. Oh yeah, 安树维。Okay, open the IDE, and then you can click Jiangxi University. Yeah, Jiangxi University / JXUST. Yeah, Jiangxi UST. Okay, now you should look like this. Okay, like this, and then the next. The next, we will writing we will write we will implement about the hash algorithm. So the digest is a variable VIA variable. Do you know? Yeah, digest. So we can calculate the message digest used by digest. Do you know? DIGEST. Yeah, DIGEST. Okay, DIGEST dot. Okay, the message digest has a serious function digest. Okay, a serious. Do you know? Override. Okay, override. Yeah. Digest. DIGEST. Okay? Yeah. And then you should input a parameter. Okay? So and then you can press Control and click digest. Okay? Yeah. So just yeah. But you can you also overlook. You also 浏览. Do you know 浏览? 查看. How to speak? 浏览. Slash. Okay? Slash. Down. Do you know? Yeah. This is named also named as well as disaster. Oh, okay? But there are several parameters. Okay? Yes, the first one, no parameter, okay? The second has 3 parameters, okay? And then You also this is one parameter. Okay, we will use this one parameter. Okay, so one parameter, the type must be byte array. Okay, yeah. So now we should provide a byte data. Do you know? Yeah, into the parameter. Yeah, yeah. So we need define a byte array. Yeah. So byte. Okay. Array. Do you know? Do you know? Yeah. Very good. Okay. And yeah, MESS. Do you know MSG? Message. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is message included. Block is a block is a structure. Do you know? So we should get the blocks every field. Okay? Yeah. And append. Do you know? The first append the second and the append the last one. Okay? Yeah, very good. Okay, so the first block there dot version. Do you know version? Yes. Why we can't get we can't visit the
Because it's we need to how to say put it into an entity.
no. So I want to get the first field.
Those are private.
Private, very good. So we should provide a get and setter. Yeah, provided a get and setter function. Do you know? Yes, about the fields. Okay, like the version, the previous hash, and the data. Do you know? Yeah. So we should block. Do you know? We should the define of the block Java. Yeah. So and then press. Yeah. So go on here. You know, go here, and then we should press right key. Okay, press right key, and so generate. Do you know? Do you know generator? Okay. Yeah, generate. Okay, generate and getter and setter. Do you know? Yeah, the false, getter and setter. Do you know? Yes, and then there are 4 fields. Do you know? You can choose. We will choose the all. All. Do you know? Yeah. Press control. Press control. Okay. And select all. Do you know? Yes. And press control and select all. Do you know? Yeah. So and click OK. Click OK. Yeah. Okay. Answer way. Yeah, you can look at others. Do you know? So we should go to block.
So that timing.
Yes. Okay, so you can have it. Okay, let's go on. Okay, let's go on. So when we provided this code, then we will go back hash utils. We will go back hash utils. Do you know? Yeah, and then in this in this in here. Yeah. Okay. So we can use block dot get function. Okay, get function. Okay. Yeah. The first one is getter version. Do you know? Do you know version? Do you know version? Yes. And then append the second and the second field. Do you know? So the second field is block get previous hash. Yeah, do you know previous hash? Yeah, the a hash is a hash code string. Okay, so the second sorry, the third field is block dot get. Do you know timestamp? Okay, but you shouldn't know it. The timestamp type is long. You know, but the other field type is string. So they can't append directly. Yes, so we should convert long data type to string. Do you know? Yes. So we can use long. Do you know long long dot? Do you know to string? Okay. Yeah, and then put the parameter block. Do you know? Yes. Okay. And then the last field is data. Do you know data? Yes. Block there dot get data. So if you writing like this, it will error because this is a string. Yeah, this is but not byte. Yeah, so we should change the type string to string. Okay, first we define a message of type string type. Do you know? Yes, and then we can input the parameter like this message dot get bytes function. Okay, do you know? I'm sure we do know. Yes, I mean, do you know? Yes, the get bytes functions is convert the message about a string to byte array. Do you know? Yes. And then we can we can we can input a parameter, the bytes about the encoding. Do you know encoding? 编码 Do you know 编码 encoding? How to speak 编码 encoding? Yeah. Standard transect like is UTF-8. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you know UTF-8? Do you know? UTF-8? Do you know? Yes. This is 通用的 how to speak 通用的 Yeah, national, international encoding UTF-8 do you know? Oh, the last one. Oh, the last one. Okay. So if you want to show me like this, so you can control, okay? Press control and move your mouse to here to the code. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then click. So, okay. So this is the test. Do you know? Yeah, this is the GDP source. GDP source, okay? This code created by someone. So do you know? Yes. You can go back. So do you know? Yeah. How to speak yeah. General. Do you know general? GENERAL. Yeah. Very good. Person. 经常。Yeah. Yeah, very good. Usually. Often. So because you departed block, there are error. So basically, you can't import this block. You should import the block about yourself. You have to know. You should import this block because this block is yourself. So you shouldn't import this. You should import this one. Okay, another this one. Yes, because this one is yourself. Yeah. So you should change. Okay. So all password be OCK. Okay. Yeah, you know. Yeah. go on. Okay, let's go on. Do you know? Okay, do you know? Yeah. Oh, and then you can hear and here. The digest is a function, as we know. Yeah. So you will find the result of digest function is byte array. Yeah. So we should define a variable to accept the result. Yes. So we will define a byte, okay, array, and then hash. Do you know? Do you know hash? And we named it hash. Do you know? And then like this. Okay. This is the hash is the hash result. Okay. Okay. Yeah. But you will find your our our function's result is string. Yeah, this hash type is byte. So we should convert the byte array to string. Do you know? So what should we do? What should we do? Convert byte to string. Yeah. Yeah. To string. Then to string. Yes. Okay. It's good. So now in here we will convert the hash the hash byte, okay, to another data type. Okay. Do you know have 进制格的进制? Yeah. Binary. Binary is only two there, two number, the 0 and the 1. You know, if we use the 10, and there are 10 number from 0 to 9. Decimal. Yeah, 进制格的进制. And then the hash code is hex. Yes, hex. Okay, so we want to convert the byte to hex string. Do you know? Okay, and you know, do you understand? So how should we do? You can visit everybody, okay? And do you know this symbol? Yeah, and do you know? Yeah. Do you know? Hex contains from 0 to 9 and A to F. Do you know? So if we want to convert a byte to a hex, we can use a byte. I saw your code. Yeah, sure. So, like, okay. First, we should get everyone byte. Okay, every byte. So we should write a FOR 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, according 4. Okay, F or R, and I from 0. Okay, to 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 bytes array their size. Do you know size? Yes. Okay. C dot. Oh, sorry. Length. Length. Yeah, length. Okay. Because every only length. Okay. The list has the size. Okay. LNGTH. Do you know? Yes. The length of array. Yeah. From 0 to actually the index is from 0 to length down 1. Yeah. Do you know how to how to speak 认识减一 how to speak 认识减一 do you know do you know yeah this I know you know yeah Harcy lens okay so 1 do you know do you know yo so how to speak this lens lens minus 1 minus is oh man minus okay do you know yeah this is equal the just I said I write another see their lens it the tools is the same do you know yeah so how to speak I plus plus eager oh increment INNER Inger Inger okay you know yeah okay so 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 like 3 we should define a string buffer because we will append every hex okay so we string buffer okay do you know hash buffer 等于 new okay string do you know do you know yeah and hash every byte is hash I okay index I okay do you know this do you know this hash I U and link you can Google how to convert byte to hex in Java do you know understand me yes there are several okay so you can send the link to our chat okay and share others okay look what is the other side you are this guys she's look you have yourself should follow me, okay? Link X. X. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the method. This is the method. How to convert byte to text. Okay, so you can in our you can visit the link in our WeChat. Yeah, the answer is in the link in our WeChat. Okay, go. What's this? Is this you sleep? Sleep? Yeah. Sleep. Do you know? Yeah. You can several. Okay. In our WeChat, okay, in WeChat, we can. So I will share you a link. How to convert. Oh, my VPN failed. Hmm. So I actually you can send a link to send, but I didn't accept. Get I accept it. I didn't accept. No. Have you? Oh. Very. Yeah. So why? Oh no. My VPN is not work. So you just look yourself, okay? Just look yourself. Okay, so the last one. Okay, this boy. You can he can follow me. What's the name? What's the name of he? Uh, for yeah, yeah. Can you follow me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so you should come here. You should come here. 准时怎么说？按数为准时怎么说？准时。Yeah. Don't later. Don't late tomorrow. Okay. Do you know? Do you know? Don't late tomorrow. Okay. So because Mr. Young come here. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. And then if you don't understand, you can come here. You can look at here, like this. Yeah. You can remember that. You can remember. Integer to. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Oh, failed. And then we will use a function about integer, integer. Integer is a wrapper, wrapp. Wrapper. Do you know wrapper? Wrapper.
Buffer.
Sorry. WRAP.
Wrapper.
Oh, wrapper. sorry. Wrapper. Okay. Integer is wrapper.
Yes.
Is a wrapper class. Okay. So integer dot to hex. You can write it like this. Okay. Two hex string. Hex string. Hex. Hex is 16. Do you know? Do you know? 16 still. Okay. You included and okay. Do you know? Do you know hex? Okay. Yeah. So we can two hex get a string result. Okay. And we will string. Okay. Hex. Okay. Do you know? Do you know? So the next step is very important. The next string, the next step is very important. So we should check if the hex size is 1.
Size is 1.
Yeah. So you can look at the code. I show you the code. Okay. So if hex their length equal 1, do you know? Equal 1. So we should hex can you understand? And then has okay. Do you understand? Why we why this is important? Why? Why? Do you know?
Because of the 4 zeros.
40.
Before the hash. All the hashes.
So,
4 zeros.
so you can look here. You can look at here. Because so because you can look here. Because we use integer to hash. You know, integer is 0 to from 0 to 9. But the hex is from 10 to from 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. So for example, another example. Another example. 12. Yeah. Yeah. You can. You can cover another hex is same. Yeah. Same. Okay. So, but in computer, there are only binary. EINAR1. Okay. So leave one. You know.
0 and 1. Yes.
Yes. So 7 is
7 is four. 7 is 4 1. 1 1 1 1.
what?
1
No.
no no.
1110.
Yes. Yes.
No. Yes. Same.
0 1 0 1. This one. 1 no, 1 is not. This one is not 7. At E at 2 this one is not 7. This one is 1 1 0 1. Maybe
1
1 1 is 7.
no.
1 1 is 7.
1 1 1.
Yeah, 7.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So you know there are here, but this
1 1 0 0.
1100.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you look. There are four. 1 2 3 4.
Yes.
Yeah. But the only three. 1 2 3. Okay. So actually there 1 0 is the first because every force you know this is why should we append the 0. Do you know?
Yeah, I know.
Do you know?
Makes the length equals to 1. What's I don't understand.
Do you know?
I know, but
Yeah.
makes the length equals to. What does this mean? This condition. Hex length. Yeah. Hex length
Excellent.
equals to 1.
Because
Equals to 1. Why?
why?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Why x length equal to 1?
This.
Why this?
Why this?
Yes.
Why this? So it's what can I say? So you understand
Yeah, I
this?
understand this.
Yeah.
But equals to 1, I don't know.
How can I explain to you?
I'm trying to understand.
So
I know this, but
yeah.
why this condition?
How can I speak? How can I speak to you? I want to show you about. Can you speak how to? Do you know? Do you know 静置转换？
What? Translate.
静置转换。
In Chinese, I don't know.
So OK， 静置转换。
Translate. Funny. Use one place to translate. Then by you funny.
Do you know? Okay. Okay. So another. We change another method. Do you know? We change another method. We just system every hex. We just system out every hex. Do you know? Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. So let show you the result. Okay. So now if now because the function now is unfinished, so we should if we want to test, we should complete first. Okay. So
Yeah, completed.
yeah.
Completed.
Yeah, when we complete all finished and we test this question, yeah, do you know?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So let's just coding like this,
Yeah.
okay? And where we complete the code and we test it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and then so you should write write a return, okay? Return the result. return. Do you know? Hash buffer. Yeah, like this. Do you know? Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. And then the last one, you should upon the return, a return now
Now.
is okay.
Okay.
Why now is okay? Because you can. Because you look here. This is a for. And if we don't have an exception, the code will return at night at this night at this line. Do you know?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So do you know? Yes. Okay. And then this is we finish the function. And then if we want to test the function, we must invoke this method this function in another code. Do you know? Yes. And then block can invoke invoke. Yes. So this is here. Do you know? Yes. Okay. We can write like this. Okay. So return return return. Okay. And the SAR 256 is a static function, so we can invoke directly in this one in here. Okay. So how how to write hash utils? Do you know?
Yeah.
Hash utils. Dot. Okay. Dot. Do you know?
Yes.
Dot and char. Yeah. So and then you just this. Do you know? Because this is a block structure. Others understand. Others understand. Yes. So calculate block hash finished. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. When you constructor, with the constructor, so you can the final. You can final. Do you know? So this hash. So can you understand? Yes. But the calculator block hash will return a string about hash block hash. So we should define a field about block hash. Okay. So private string hash. Do you know? Okay. Do you know? And then in this constructor, we can this like this. This their hash. Yeah. Yeah. Do you know? How to speak 等于 like this 赋值 对 how to speak so you should have it to 等于赋值今日转换对
Equal to.
equal to
Yeah. 等于
no equal to is to equal the
Oh,
no this is
here.
赋值
Okay, this is assign. Assign.
A
ASSIGN.
ASSIGN
Yes.
ASSIGN Do you know? You understand me?
Yeah, I understand.
赋值
I understand.
I invoke another function and I put the result to a variable.
Okay, you want one word for there is no one word for this. There is no one word. What you said is okay.
What do you say? It's okay.
Yeah, what you said is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, invoke one function and then assign.
Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. So wait. Uh, 叫赋值。Yeah, very good. Assign, ASSIGN, assignment, assign. Okay, thank you. Okay, so, but we haven't assigned a timestamp. Do you know?
Yeah.
We haven't assigned timestamp. Okay, but in the calculate block hash, we use it.
Yeah.
So we should assign a timestamp first. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So in this line, this timestamp TRME. Assign. How to write? New date. Do you know date? Yes. Do you know date? Need to import java.utils package. Do you know? Yes. And then new data dot get time. Get time is now. Good time is now. The now, the good time will return a long time. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. This the long is sentence from 1978 1978 1月 January
January.
January 1号你说第一年
1st January 19.
Oh, 1st January 1970.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Class 24. Date.
New data. Okay. So,
New data and new date.
New detail na kale.
Private long time step. Down
now.
Private is
Now. So,
Anand.
yeah, because
Enough for this one. Really? Okay. Block.
These people
Block.
block like nine. আমি বলতেছি লিখে নাই তার মানে তুমি আমার ব্লক লাগ ব্লক লাগ
Yeah. So you miss here. You miss the one. You miss the one to that. So you miss the yeah, but the other nonsense next color is very light. Yeah, very light. Okay, so the green is the color, is this nonsense. Don't let it go. You know. So you can look. And then you refine.
এটা নিয়ে গেছে না না ভালো লাগবে না একদিন রান্না একটু লবণ বেশি হবে সুন্দর এই যে ধরা গেছে বুঝছো মানে
You should like this, okay? First, assign the timestamp and the data and the previous, and then finally we can invoke the calculate hash. Do you know? Calculate the function. Invoke. Finally, we can invoke the function to calculate our block hash and then assign the hash field. So tired. Okay, now we finished the block structure define. Do you know? Yeah, and then now we should write a test code test file to we should write a file to test my code our code. Do you know? Yeah, but when we write the test code, we should modify our code, please, because you can select project structure, okay, and we should put our code to different packages. Okay, you know, because every code has their own 作用，有他们自己的分类。Very good. Every code should have own workspace. You know, different workspace. Yeah. So we should move the block file to a package named chain blockchain. Do you know? Yeah. So we can create a new package. Do you know? Named chain chain. Okay. chain. Okay. Yeah. And then you just move block to the new package is okay. Okay. So double click the block file and move. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this. Move the chain package. Yeah, and then the IDE will show you how to speak this 对话框确认框 submit yeah refactor. Do you know refactor? Yeah, like this. Okay, so there are two packages in this project. Okay, so and then we can we can create a test code. Test code. The text code, the test file should be test the block function in the main foundation in the main method. Do you know? So we create a new class. Okay. We create a new class, Java class. Okay, and name the node 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 node. Okay, so class. So and then we we should override the main method. Override main. Do you know? Public static void mai. Okay. Okay. Do you know? So and then first we can define a block variable. Do you know? block. Okay. block. Okay. And new block. So do you know? Do you understand me? So yeah, there are an error. So now you should import the block class. Okay. So you can press Alt and enter. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Press Control. So do you know? Like this. Okay. Choose the block path, block file path. Okay. So like this. But you will find there are an error because the constructor need 2 parameters. Yeah. Yes. So we should put the 2 parameter. Okay. So now just we put 2 non-string. Do you know? Just non. Okay. Non. Do you know? It's okay. Yeah. So now we can run. But we can run. But we can run. We can system out print line the block hash. Do you know? Yeah. block get. So there are no functions about hash. So we should get and setter about hash. Do you know? And then we go in. Wait. Okay. We go in. We go to block. We go to block. Do you know? And right key again. Generate. Okay. Generate. And so select the false get and setter. Yeah. And then select the hash field. Okay. And then select the OK. Okay. So there are 2 functions created by IDE automatically. Do you know? Yeah. And in node we go back node, and then we can invoke get hash. Do you know? So now we can run. You can run this test code. Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, you can attempt it. Okay, you can attempt to. The false get and setter. False. Yeah. This one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Do you know?
Every time new hash will be there.
A
A new hash.
new hash. Yeah. This is a hash. Yeah.
Every time new hash.
your block, you define the block structure, okay? In the com JXUST block demo, there are 10 so, yeah. But in Node Java, you import block name, block name is GDK. You know error, where error. So you can click and import again, re-import again, yeah. And issue, import and behind that block.
সেটাই করে সম্ভব কি হচ্ছে তো সলভ হচ্ছে আসিস কি হচ্ছে
Yeah.
সেটাই তো করার পর কেন আসলো কেন সেটা
Fix this area. But there are only there are
আর সলভ কেন করে আসে আপনার কত প্রবলেম দেখেন কি
and then yeah,
আচ্ছা এটা স্যার বলো না এখানে এই যে
how to use your
রং ফাইল
yeah, okay, like this position. There are two not single. Do you know? Yeah, double position. Yeah, you know.
এই বড় তো ব্লক
Single. Single. Okay, single. Yeah. So single. It should be double, not single. No, 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 no. Always, always. Both two. Double. You know. Yeah.
মাঝখানে কি হবে না
এটা জাস্ট ওই লক্ষ্যটা বড় হবে
You know. Okay, so.
তাহলে সব বড় দিয়ে কথা না এইদিকে আসো আর নতুন জিনিস শিখো এইটা খালি ফার্স্ট লেটারটা ম্যাটার করে ফার্স্টটা বড় হ্যাঁ
আমার কাছে তাই এটা না
Yeah, if your product is an error,
আমার তাই
error, there are
ইভেন এই একটা মাঝখানে কি এই সব ক্লাস ব্লকের ব্লক তৈরি করা এরকম না
সেই জন্য এটা তোর দোষ
বোঝার
those
লোক
kind of
নাম মিলে
মাঝখানে কি দিবে
জাস্ট
Okay, so let's take the second
না
one.
না
ব্রেকআপ পরে একবার পরে কমা দিয়ে আসো
Shoot it down. Not to shoot it down.
ছাপে হবে
We have a break. Yeah, now we have a break. Now, 20 minutes. Okay. Sorry, wait.